Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil 2 Fatal Error Exit. So let's start. Now for the first method, open the file location of the game. After that scroll down, you will find this folder which is config.ini. Make sure to click it. After that all you need to do is to replace any DirectX 11 with DirectX 12 in the target platform. After that close this file and then select the folder below which is config default.ini. Open it. After that do the same thing once again. Replace any DirectX 11 with DirectX 12 and close the file. Now for the second method, go to the Steam launcher, open it, and then go to library and select collections. After that search for the game which is Resident Evil 2 Remake. Go to this gear icon, click it, after that select properties. This will open, so go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game file. That way any missing or corrupted file will be recovered safely. Just wait for the process to finish. For the next and last method, go to general, after that go to launch options and type in -dx12 and you can relaunch the game safely without any issues. If the problem didn't fix, go to this Windows icon right here. After that make sure to restart your computer. And that's it. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.